Welcome back to the 5 Minute Teaching Podcast, the podcast for teachers who don't have time for nonsense. I'm Colby. I'm an instructional coach at a virtual school, and I've been in education for 12 years.
And I'm Heather. I'm an assistant manager at a virtual school. I've been in education for 18 years. Today, we're going to dive into a teacher struggle we all feel giving feedback to students that they can actually use.
Yep, because if they don't read it, why are we writing it?
Exactly. So, our first strategy is going to be keep feedback direct and focused on one key point. Feedback works best when students instantly recognize it, it's meant specifically for them, and they can act on it right away. Long, generic comments often overwhelm students, while short, personalized feedback gives them a clear next step. So you can start by using the student's name. It signals that the feedback is individualized rather than directed at the whole group. You can share the comment privately through a Nearpod response in a breakout room, or if you're in person, by walking over and speaking with the student one on one.
And stick to one idea. Students only need one action step at a time. If feedback includes 3 or 4 things, they won't know which one to focus on, and they often do none of them. So try phrases like, Maria, your claim is strong. Now add a piece of evidence. Lisa, great job organizing your ideas. Now check your punctuation. Ava, I can see your effort. Now try adding one detail to describe the setting. Or Leo, your math steps are correct. Now label each step to show your reasoning.
Strategy number 2, try audio or visual feedback. Audio and visual feedback can feel more personal, more engaging, and often more memorable than written comments. Whether you're in person with platforms like Google Classroom or online using platforms like Nearpod or Canvas, you can record a quick 15 to 20-second voice note. Students love hearing their teacher's voice, and they're more likely to listen to short audio feedback than reading a long paragraph. It humanizes the feedback and it helps them understand tone, encouragement, and their next steps.
Visual feedback works just as well. While students are working during the we do, you can use simple signals like giving a sticker for strong work or placing a question mark next to something you don't understand. These small markings show students you actively checking their work in real time. It also builds accountability. They know you're watching and paying attention to their thinking. Even more importantly, it communicates that you're speaking to them individually and noticing their efforts, which motivates them to stay engaged and make improvements.
Strategy number 3, use the glow and grow pattern. Use the glow and grow pattern to make your feedback both motivating and useful. Begin with a glow, a specific strength the student showed, so they know exactly what they're doing well. This type of feedback builds confidence and reinforces the behaviors or skills you want them to repeat. Then follow it with a grow, one simple, actionable step they can take to improve.
The glow and grow together in a single sentence ensures the feedback stays short, positive, and easy to understand. This structure helps students stay encouraged while still being pushed to refine their work, making the feedback feel supportive rather than overwhelming. Again, an example of this strategy might be something like, Maria, your claim is strong. Now add a piece of evidence. Okay, Heather, if teachers could only try one thing tomorrow, what should it be?
For the next week, I would try providing each student with one simple, actionable suggestion that would make their work even better.
This is perfect because it makes feedback feel personal, motivating, and realistically actionable.
So today we shared 3 strategies to help make feedback relevant and useful to your students
Thanks for tuning in to the 5 Minute Teaching Podcast. If today's tips help, share this episode with a teacher friend
or your whole team.
and subscribe to our channel.